Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to remove MidJourney from Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to remove MidJourney from your Discord, you just simply have to open this Discord application at first, and after opening the Discord application, you will get to see this page into here. Now you just simply have to select the server of MidJourney, and after that tap into this name of MidJourney server. Then it will take you to the profile page of this official server of MidJourney. Now you just simply have to scroll down a bit and you will get the option of leave server. Now in order to remove MidJourney from your Discord, you just simply have to tap into leave server button, and after confirming, you can easily remove MidJourney from your Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update.